students, here we have to evaluate this one. 2 by minus 3 plus minus 4 by 9. We have to add these two rational numbers. Suppose first observe this one. We have here negative denominator, right? So we have to convert this one into positive denominator. See, 2 by minus 3. So minus 3 multiply with minus 1 to convert the given denominator into positive. We have to multiply with minus 1. So whatever you do in the denominator, you have to do in the numerator also. How much? Minus 2. 2 into 1, 2. You get here minus, plus into minus, minus. In the denominator you have minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3. You got here 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 9. No need to check for the numerator, leave that one. You have to check only denominators and convert the denominators into positive denominators. That's all. This is the problem now. Now here we have different denominators. So find out the LCM. LCM of 3 and 9. LCM of 3 and 9 here. What is the LCM? 3 one time, 3 3 times. Again with 3 one time only. Okay, 3 3 is 9. So LCM equal to 9 here. This 2 by 3. Convert this one into equal denominator of 9. LCM 9 na? You got here LCM 9. So convert that one into 9 here. So how much you have to multiply? 3 times. So multiply with 3. So 2 into 3, 6. What is the sign before? Minus. Minus into plus will be minus. Minus 6 by 9 here. And the next one, minus 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 9. Already, what is the LCM here? 9. Already we have in the denominator 9 na? So no need to convert this one. Okay. Now just write down. So what is our actual problem? 2 by minus 3 plus minus 4 by 9. And now we have converted this negative denominator into positive denominator. We have converted this negative denominator into positive denominator. So minus 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 9. So minus 2 by 3 also we have converted into this one, equivalent denominator of LCM, minus 6 by 9 plus the next one, minus 4 by 9. Now what we have observed? We got the same denominators now? Yes, we got the same denominators. So same denominator, that is 9. Now you can directly add the numerators. Plus of minus 4. Now see, minus 6 plus into minus will be plus into minus, minus 4 by 9. Now minus, you can take minus out here. Minus is common now, so you can take here minus. So minus I have taken now, it will be converted into plus, and this 4 also converted into plus 9. Now what you get here? Minus of 6 plus 4, 10 by 9. Your final answer is minus 10 by 9. Okay. Next problem, 2 plus minus 3 by 4. Here you have 2 plus minus 3 by 4. Here in the denominator nothing is there, means 1 is there. Okay. So that time what is the LCM of these two? 4 only. 4. Now 1 into 4, 1 into 4, 4. So 4 into 2. See, this is another method. 1 into 4, 4. And with this numerator, with this 4, multiply the numerator, that is 2. 4 2's 8. Okay. Now see this one, 4. 4 how many times you get here? 4? 1 time. Multiply with 1. That is numerator. Multiply the numerator with 1. What you get here? Minus 3. And replace this 8 here and minus 3. Replace this 8, minus 3. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3? No, don't write directly. Here plus is there and in the brackets write down minus 3. Okay. Now see, plus into minus, minus 3. 8 minus 3 by 4. What you get here? 8 minus 3 means 5. 5 by 4. This is your answer. Understood? Good. Now see the next problem. Minus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 8. Okay. So observe the denominators once. Here you have all the denominators same. If we have all the denominators same, directly we can add the numerators. Okay. So again I am writing minus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 8. That means all the denominators are same, means take the denominator as 8 and directly add all the numerators. So don't forget the minus. Along with the minus, write down. Wherever you have minus, along with that minus you have to mention here. Now see, minus 3. So plus terms first I am adding, plus 5 and 7. What you get here? 12 by 8. Next, 12 minus 3 by 8. How much? 12 minus 3 means 9. 9 by 8. The bigger number sign is plus. So you got here plus 9 by 8. Okay? This is your answer. Is that clear? Next problem, third one, minus 1 plus 2 by minus 3 plus 5 by 6. Here observe this one, minus 1 you have. So nothing is there in the denominator, means 1 is there. And also observe the denominators. The denominators are different. And here we have one negative denominator. We have to convert this one into positive denominator. So minus 1 plus 2 by minus 3 plus 5 by 6. Okay. So first we will, so leave the sign. First find out the LCM of the denominators. LCM of denominators 1, 3, 6. What is now 1, 3, 6? 3 one time, 3 2 times. Again with the 2, 1. 3 2s 6. So LCM equal to 6. Right? LCM equal to 6. Now, so for next here we have negative denominator. We have to convert this one into positive denominator. For that you need to multiply with minus 1. In the numerator also, what you get here? Minus 2 by plus 3. So 2 by minus 3 converted to minus 2 by 3. So now add the numbers, minus 1 by 1 plus 2 by minus 3 plus 5 by 6. And after this we have converted this negative denominator into positive now. First write down that one. Minus 1 by 1 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Now what is the LCM here? 6. Right? 1. With 1, 6. First one. 1 into 6. 1 into 6, 6. With this 6, multiply the numerator. What is this one? Minus 1. What you get here? Minus 6. Write down minus 6. After that, plus. What is the next one? 3. Next denominator 3. Multiply with the 3. In the 3 table 6, how many times you get here? 3, 2s, 6. And with this 2, multiply the numerator. That is minus 2. What you get here? Plus into minus, minus 2 into 2, 4. What you get here? Minus 4. Write down here minus 4. After that, plus. And see the next one? 6. See the next one? 6. 6. In the 6th table 6, how many times you get here? 6. 1 time. 6 ones, 6. With this one, multiply the numerator. 5. What you get here? 5. So, write 5 here. Now here, 1 into 5 equal to 5. So, you got this one. Once again, I am writing here. Now see, removing the brackets and writing all the things. Minus 6 plus into minus, minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 divided by 6. What you get here? Minus, I will take minus out here. Okay, I will take the minus out. So this will be, this minus 6 will be converted to plus 6. Minus 4 will be converted to plus 4. Minus taken out then, so this plus will become minus here. Signs will change. If you take any sign, if you take minus out, and signs will be changed in the brackets. Now see, 6 plus 4, how much? 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. Minus 5 by 6. Now see 10 minus 5, 5 by 6. Now what is your final answer? Minus 5 by 6. This is your next problem. Minus 3 by 18 plus 7 by 16 plus minus 3 by 4. Here observe this one. Here we have no negative denominators, so no need to worry. So and if you observe the denominators, here we have no same denominators. So we have to find out the LCM. So once again write down the problem here. Plus 7 by 16 plus minus 3 by 4. find out the LCM. LCM of 8, 16, 4. What is the LCM here? 16, 4. I will go with 4. 4 twos, 4 fours, 4 ones. Again with 2. 2 one time. 2 2 times 1 time. 2 1 time. Okay, 4 twos 8. 8 twos 16. LCM equal to 16. Now convert each and every denominator, or so you do like this. See, once again I am writing 8 plus 7 by 16 plus minus 3 by 4. What is the LCM here? 16. Now see, 8 in 8 table, how many times you get 16 here? 8 2 times. 8 2 16. With this 2, multiply the numerator. Minus 13. What you get here? Minus 26. This 26 write down here. Okay. After that plus. Okay. Now see 16. 16 table. How many times you get 16? 16 one time. 16. With this 1, multiply the numerator. 7. We are doing the second rational now. So 7. So 7 into 7, 7. And this 7 write down here. And after that plus, plus, and after that go for third rational. In fourth table, how many times 16 you get here? 4 fours, 16. And with this 4, multiply the numerator minus 3 along with the minus. Don't forget. So 4 3s 12. What is sign here? Minus. So you write minus 12 here. Minus 12. Okay. Now what you got here? See, minus. Now I want to take the minus out. So this minus 26 will become plus 26. Plus 7 will become minus 7. Just interchange the signs. Minus 12 will become plus 12. Now close the bracket. 16. Minus of 26 plus 12. So first always add the plus signs, plus sign numbers. So 26 plus 12. 26 plus 12 how much? 38. Minus 7 as it is. Divided by 16. Minus of 38 minus 7? 31. Divided by 16. What your final answer is? 31 by 16. Okay. This is your answer. Understood?